Guys, welcome back to today's lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be defining the slab. So you click define and choose section property. We have the slab section. So ETABS has given us these two defaults, so I'm going to delete them. But I need one to be alive, so I can just click add new property, give it the name I want, slab 175 mm. Then choose the slab material, so I'm choosing flexion. So we have different types. We have shell thin, shell thick, membrane, and layered. So for this video I'm going to be choosing shell thin, so I'm going to explain what shell thin and shell thick is in subsequent videos. So we have this. Now I've chosen 175 mm. I'm coming here to place 175 at this point. So you can choose the type. Is it normal solid slab, you want a drop, stiff, ribbed, waffle, matte, or footing, whichever one you want. So we want the solid slab. I'll choose this. Then we'll go to our modifiers, then change it. So 0.25, because we know slab is not stiff. 25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, and 0.25. Okay, so click OK, and that is it. So we need a copy of that in case we will check our slab of 175 and we see it's failing deflection. So I can delete this one it has created for me and add a copy of this, so you can see it's similar to that, and just name it 200. So get this thickness as 200. So I don't need to change the modifier because I'm copying the previous property. So I click OK and OK. So we are done with slab. In the next video I'm going to be modeling a shear wall.